Good morning, students. Today we are going to read a short read card, Interview with Scientist Jeremy Owen. Let us first understand the topic of this short read. What is an interview? Do you all know? It is a face-to-face conversation between two people when one person asks the question and other person answer it. Second, who is a scientist? A scientist is someone who conducts scientific research to advance knowledge in an area of interest. And who is Jeremy Owen? Dr. Jeremy Owen studied at Victoria University of Wellington School of Biological Science. He has been awarded a Rutherford Discovery Research entitled Biomembrane Nanotechnologies for exploring pathogen respiratory adaptation to identify and develop novel antibiotics. Now, let us take out the short read card, Interview with Scientist Jeremy Owen. So, the first question which is asked by the interviewer is, how did you get interested in science? How he was interested in science? Jeremy Owen: when I was young, my dad always told me interesting facts. He told me about moon, planets, outer space, and I was interested in how people knew those things. I wondered how people wrote encyclopedias and science books. So he is telling when he was a kid, his father used to tell him about moon, planets and other things. So he was interested in all these stuff and he always wanted to know how these science books and encyclopedias are being written. Now the second question which is asked by interviewer is, what do you like about working in science? Jeremy Owen: you get to find out new things about your world. You find out things, how things work. Interviewer is asking him that in working science, what interests him, what he finds fascinating. So he is saying when we work in science, we come to know more and more things about our world and we are able to find out how different things work. Question number 3. Do you do a lot of experiments? What are experiments? Experiment is when we conduct some research or when we want to find out something that this will happen or why this happens. Jeremy Owen is answering, yes, running an experiment is like asking nature a question. What is an experiment? When we are asking a question from the nature, from the environment, you just need to know what question to ask. You also need to listen the answers. You have to think on your own that what experiment, what question you want to ask, and you have to find out the answers. It takes a lot of hard work. You have to keep trying to find something new. Science can be sometimes frustrating. It will irritate you. Sometimes you will not get the answers. Sometimes the experiment won't work. But when they work, they are very rewarding. Now let us come to the next page. Interviewer is asking, does thinking like a scientist makes you look at the world in a different way? We all have a different perspective to look at the world. So what is the idea of a scientist to look at the world? Scientist Jeremy Owen is saying, thinking scientifically makes the world more interesting and beautiful. When we think like a scientist, the worlds look more interesting and beautiful to us. All sorts of fantastic things are going around us, beautiful things. It just takes a bit of work to see them. The next question is, what does your work in the lab involve? What all experiments did you do in your lab? Our lab finds ways to fight diseases. People sometimes get sick from the bad bacteria in their bodies. Medicines called antibiotics can stop bad bacteria. Our lab studies those antibiotics. Here is an interesting fact. Some medicines used to fight bacteria are made by other bacteria. It's true. In nature, bacteria make antibiotics to keep other bacteria away. So he is saying, in my lab, I find the methods to fight the diseases, how I can protect the people from bacteria, how I can make antibiotics, and how I can make medicines to fight with the bacteria. The next question which is asked by interviewer, what happens when you find the answer you are looking for? He is saying, if you conduct an experiment and it becomes successful, then what happens? Jeremy is saying, I ask more questions. That means I conduct more research, I try to find out more things about a particular work. This is the great thing about science. The answers always lead to new question. The one questions will lead to another, and in this way you will get many answers. There is always something new to find out. Interviewer, what advice would you give to anyone wanting to become a scientist? So what advice would you like to give someone who wants to become a scientist? Jeremy Owen, you should start researching now. Find out about things that interest you. Okay, if you want to find out something which interests you, you should start researching. You should ask question about it. Don't believe everything you read or hear. Find out things for yourself. Be a detective. Work out what is really going on. If you want to conduct such experiment, you have to be a detective. It means you have to find out yourself what is right and what is wrong. So this completes our short read card. You have to do an activity related to it that will be sent to you on your WhatsApp group. Thank you. And moreover, you have to do one more activity, that you have to take an interview of a person who has treated a corona patient, or interview of a doctor who has treated the corona patient. Thank you.